Hello everybody, I'm going to do a DVD unboxing for Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End. And it's a 2-disc special edition with Johnny Depp, Orlando Bloom, Ken Knightley, Crow Yun-Fa and Goofy Rush. Geoffrey Rush is from the spine and the back. And here's the special features. So disc 1, Keith and the captain on set with Johnny Depp and the rock legend, Rufus of the Caribbean. Scenes with musical commentary by director John Krasinski, a tale of jokes, and something of a scene that the Maelstrom. The disc 2, we have measures up design, creating the pirate's world, the world of Chow Yun-Fa. Inside the Brethren Court, the pirate must show the music of Hans Zimmer, the colours, the story behind the song. And so it's budget horror and action adventure violence. It's quite long, it's 161 minutes. I haven't seen all the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. And if you haven't seen it and you're over 12 to watch it, and here are the 2 discs. So if I enjoyed my DVD unboxing for Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End, don't forget to leave a like and please subscribe. Goodbye.